Hi guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. So we're going to make a bar soap into a liquid soap. So we're going to need a bar soap, jojoba oil. So jojoba oil is non-comedogenic, so it helps reduce the chance of blockage of pores. And we're going to need this container. This is a alcohol container, so it's much better to just reuse it instead of throwing it away. We're going to grade the bar first. So this bar contains calendula, which is antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial. And it's good for eczema and people who have sensitive skin. So it's much better to use this soap, but any kinds of soap would do. After grating it, so it should look like this. Finely grind. So this is a hot water, much better if you're going to use a 1 liter of hot water. We're going to pour it. So we should mix it by far until it dissolves. And by the way guys, the jojoba oil contains vitamin E and B complex, and it helps the skin repair, and it soothes the dry skin. So humans produce natural sebum, which jojoba oil is by far the most closest one that can replicate the sebum. So I'm going to transfer it in a smaller container so I could pour it in the bottles. So this mixture can make 2 bottles. So expect that some soap like this one can turn into a slime texture, but still usable, right? At least you can save at the same time. So this soap is around like 3 dirhams, so it's $1.50. $1.50. And we'll pour the remaining. But I prefer, if you're going to make a liquid soap, you can use glycerin soaps and the Sebamed, those cleansing bar that are non-soap. So those are the best ones. So we are done. Here it is, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. See you next time. Bye.